Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow Cookbook. Today we're making Bobrov Brothers cabbage soup. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. We shall once again begin with the prep. This one is a decently long amount of prep. You're going to start by dicing one medium onion. Then you're going to dice a medium shallot. And then you're going to also dice one celery rib. Then you're going to peel and grate one medium carrot. Thinly slice half a head of green cabbage and purple cabbage. You're going to peel and cube 4 red potatoes. Seed and chop 2 plum tomatoes. And then you're going to measure and then chop a tablespoon of fresh parsley. With all that prep, there is now 3 more ingredients that we'll get to later, but that's everything. Oh, 4. Everything but 4 ingredients is that prepped vegetables. Now in a large pot, you're going to melt a 1/4 cup of butter, and then you're going to add your onion, shallots, and celery, and you're going to cook that for about 5 minutes until it is softened. Once they have softened, you're going to add the carrot and cabbage and stir and cook for another 5 minutes until it is also starting to get soft. Warning on the cabbage part, it gets very full very fast and it's kind of hard to stir. Next, you're going to add 2 quarts or 8 cups of vegetable broth and a single bay leaf, and you're going to then bring that up to a boil, reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes are up, you're going to add your potatoes and simmer for another 15 minutes. Then you're going to increase the heat, add the tomatoes, bring to a boil again, reduce the heat again, cover and simmer for an extra 10 minutes. Remove the bay leaf, add your parsley, season salt and pepper, and you're good to go. This was surprisingly good. Looking at it and looking at the picture in the book, I was like, it's probably gonna be fine. It's probably gonna be fine. It looks a little unappetizing, I can't lie, but no, it's surprisingly good. Also, it's really funny because with the purple cabbage, when it's in your fridge for leftovers, it turns everything purple, and I think that's funny. But all in all, 8 out of 10. It's pretty good.